Hi everybody, this is Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week it's all about apples. And today we're going to talk about making an apple snack. Now, there are all kinds of apples. This one is kind of a big green and red with a little bit of red blush on it. This is a smaller apple, and it has some lighter color and darker. And this one is a really dark red apple. So depending on what kind of apple you buy at the store, you may have a snack with this kind of an apple, this kind, or this kind. And they're all good. Now I have a knife here, so you'll need to get some help with yours. And you can just pick up an apple and you can just eat it just like it is, just like this. But today I'm going to take this apple, and remember, get yourself some help, and I'm going to cut it in half like that. And then I think I'll cut it in half again, like that. And I'm going to take out the core, just like this. And I'm going to even slice it in smaller slices. So now you have apple slices. And you can eat these just like this, or I happen to have a lot of people's favorite, which is peanut butter. And you can dip your apple in peanut butter. That looks pretty good. Ooh, yeah, I can get my peanut butter on there. And then you might even want to put a cereal on it, and you could eat it that way. You could eat an apple with a pretzel. That's a good combination. Or you could even eat an apple with a marshmallow. Maybe, oh, my peanut butter fell off. Get back on there. It's because this apple is so juicy. It's wet with good old apple juice. And you could even put a marshmallow on there. And you've got an apple with peanut butter, marshmallow, and cereal. And you can eat it plain. You can eat it with any of these things. And you can find things in your house that you might want to eat it with. And I hope you enjoy a nice crunchy apple for a snack. It's nature's teeth cleaner. Bye, boys and girls. See ya.